This week we're going to take a look at an updated weather forecast for Argentina, where corn is pollinating at the moment. Then we're going to switch gears to the demand side and look at trends in U.S. corn export sales and wrap things up with long-term trends in December corn futures. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the corn market. We've moved into the month of February here, and this corn market remains exceptionally volatile. Let's start out this week looking at trends in Argentina corn production. Now, Argentina corn is pollinating as we speak here. So we're looking at 4 key provinces here in Argentina. Córdoba, Buenos Aires, Santa Fe, Santiago del Estero account for about 80 to 85% of that corn production. Let's now take a look at the short-term weather trends. Our slides this week, as usual, are courtesy of T-Storm Weather. As I mentioned a moment ago, corn is pollinating in Argentina, so we're looking at topsoil moisture. We're looking at the last 14 days. Notice the improvement we've seen in that green area there. Not necessarily a drought buster by any means, but it's bought the crop some time as you go through pollination. Let's now look at some scattered rain moving in here through Thursday of this week, about a ½ inch to 1.5 inches over those green areas. Timely rain for some of that corn that is pollinating. However, as we move forward now, we're looking starting Wednesday through Friday of this week and lasting for about 7 to 10 days is a period of dryness. Very little to no rain, so this is what has the market on edge. Let's quantify that a bit, looking at the next 14 days in total. Despite that rain this week, a lot of red in that picture there, meaning below to much below normal precip the next 14 days. Let's shift gears now and look at trends in export sales for U.S. corn. And we continue to emphasize this because this is a driver now on the demand side. We're looking at China continuing to buy modest amounts of U.S. corn. They did take 2.8 million bushels in last week's export sales report. Still, year-to-date purchases by China are down 68% from last year. And as we move forward here, we're going to highlight that Brazil is prepared to step up shipments to China big time for this 23-24 crop year, assuming normal weather for safrinha double crop corn production. Briefly looking at that chart, look at how Brazil, our forecast is up to 12 million tons for that 23-24 crop year, only 1.5 for the current crop year, and nothing for those previous few years. So keep that in mind on the demand side moving forward. Now we're getting prepared to start the crop insurance month of February. Remember, this will be the base crop insurance price that will be established by the average of December corn futures over the next 4 weeks. Let's take a look now at history of December corn futures. Now, as this crop insurance base price period begins, December corn is near $5.90 a bushel. That's $1.50 above the 5-year average for this time of year. Want to underscore again that it's still a month before that crop insurance price is set on February 28th. Strongly encourage you to continue to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to defend your balance sheet. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with one of our risk management consultants who'll be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, next week we'll be live on YouTube on Wednesday, February 8th at 11:20 Central Time for a live recap of the USDA Supply Demand Report. Thanks a lot. Have a good week.